we were introduced to the power of the divine source that has no beginning and no end. This divine source reminds us of the fullness of life and its transient nature. Terere Apepe highlights this cyclical force that guides us to a place of understanding that there cannot be beauty without pain, change without grief, and life without death. Especially in our world today, we are experiencing an immense amount of personal and collective grief. But where there is grief, there is divine love that binds us all together. Our presentation follows the arc of the isolation and grief that comes with transformation. It is in the becoming where all the butterflies find themselves gathering in sacred, communal empowerment. We interweave personal and collective surrender and look to one another for the courage to continue. This is a dance that deepens our roots so strong enough that we may have strength to fly. On the flight path, we learn that we must honor our necessary periods of rest, and that is all part of the journey. In our story, we carry the unwavering faith that the flutter will carry us exactly where we are meant to be. Ladies and gentlemen,